This is Lab India Digipol polarimeter, dual wavelength. As name suggests, it has two wavelength, 589 nanometer and 546 nanometer. So this is the front panel of the instrument. It comes with the 8-inch LCD touch screen. The main features of the instrument include it has LED light source which has the shelf life of 100,000 hours. Then it comes with the Glam-Thomson prism. The advantage of Glam-Thomson prism is that it has very high optical sensitivity, repeatability, as well as it is very good for the in case of dark sample or black samples. This is the sample compartment of the instrument. It has provision for like 0.1 to 2 dm tube. Standard it comes with the 200 mm path length glass tube and 100 mm Peltier stainless steel tube. Working temperature for the instrument is 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, and with Peltier control we can control the temperature 10 to 50 degrees Celsius. Apart from dual wavelength, it has different measuring modes which includes optical rotation, specific rotation, concentration, then international sugar scale, that is ISS 26, and also there is provision for specific measurement. So user can define his measurement as well as his calculations. The data can be transferred to the printer or PC by RS-232 port. Coming to the CFR part, this instrument is totally compliant with the 21 CFR part 11. We can see on display model like there are 3 user levels: admin level, manager level and operator level. So admin can control manager, as well as admin also have possibility to control the observer. Has right to control the manager logons or different managers. Then he can control the transfer of data. Then he can change the system parameters, as well as he can also control the observer. Then manager has right to control or add the operator, as well as he can create the methods, as well as he can also transfer the data. Operator can just run the test by the method which are created by the managers. He can just see the which parameters are selected for that particular method. Now we will see how the operator can do his test. So he can go and use his password. So this will be a screen for the operator where he can select the method by select method options. So those methods which are created by the managers can be viewed here. He can select the one. So he can check what parameters are there for this test and select the OK. So display can be seen here like optical rotation, unit or the current reading, as well as temperature, like what temperature has been set and what is the current temperature, and current wavelength can be seen on this display. After completion of test, he can also use the print option to directly the current results. Using process data option, he can select the data for the further approval to the lab manager. In instrument, there is facility to store 100,000 data, then 1,000 methods, then 100,000 audit trails can be stored in the instrument.